Getting a look behind the scenes at a Porsche service center is something most enthusiasts never experience. DPCcars recently had the opportunity to take an exclusive tour of the brand new Porsche Downtown Los Angeles service facility, offering viewers an inside look at the technology, craftsmanship, and attention to detail that go into maintaining one of the world's most respected automotive brands. Porsche Downtown Los Angeles has quickly become one of Southern California's premier Porsche destinations. Conveniently located near downtown Los Angeles, the dealership offers new Porsche models, certified pre-owned vehicles, genuine Porsche parts, factory-trained technicians, financing services, and a customer-focused ownership experience. It is designed to provide everything a Porsche owner needs in one modern location. The new service facility showcases Porsche's commitment to precision and quality. The spacious workshop is equipped with advanced diagnostic equipment, specialized service bays, and the latest tools required to maintain everything from classic sports cars to the newest hybrid and electric Porsche models. Every vehicle is serviced according to Porsche factory standards by technicians who receive specialized training from the manufacturer. During the exclusive DPCcars tour, viewers will see areas that are normally closed to the public, including the impressive workshop where highly skilled technicians perform inspections, maintenance, and repairs. The visit also highlights the level of care that goes into every service appointment, from vehicle check-in to final quality inspections before the keys are returned to the owner. For Porsche enthusiasts, this tour offers much more than a simple dealership visit. It provides a closer look at what happens behind the scenes and demonstrates why factory authorized service plays such an important role in preserving the performance, reliability, and driving experience that Porsche owners expect. Whether you currently own a Porsche or simply admire the brand, this exclusive access gives a fascinating perspective that few people ever have the opportunity to see.